Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am showing a TikTok viral Dalgona coffee recipe. So don't just sit back, just make it and enjoy. Let's start the process. Have a look into the ingredients. In a bowl, take 2 spoons of coffee powder, 3 to 4 spoons of sugar. If you want, you can increase it or reduce it as per your sweet tooth. And also add 3 to 4 spoons of hot water into coffee mixture. Now with the hand whisker or hand blender, blend it into a smooth texture paste. If you are using hand whisker, it may take 9 to 10 minutes to make it. Here I have hand blender, so I am doing it with. Once it started color changing, then you are going to forward to your Dalgona coffee. Keep on doing it. Whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. Here is the final stage of smooth textured coffee. For me, it took 4 to 5 minutes with hand blender. If you want, you can decorate your glass with this coffee mixture, otherwise simply skip it. Now take choice of your milk, that is either cold or hot milk, whatever you prefer. Now add 2 spoons of Dalgona coffee prepared mixture and just give a quick mix. That's it. Enjoy it with your partner. And also do comment. Thanks for watching. And also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.